In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. To get started, open your browser and log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the section called Integrations. This is where Klaviyo manages connections to other platforms, including e-commerce stores like Shopify. Inside Integrations, choose the option to explore apps. This will take you to Klaviyo's app directory, where you can browse and search for the tool you want to connect. Find and select Shopify from the list. Opening the Shopify integration page is important because it shows you what data will sync between the two platforms, such as customers, orders, and site activity. Next, click Install App. This step authorizes the connection and begins the setup process. After you click it, Klaviyo will prompt you to connect directly to Shopify. Now click Connect to Shopify. This will open the Shopify admin connection flow. When you see the field for your store, enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you type the correct store address, since this determines which Shopify account Klaviyo connects to. After entering the store URL, click Connect to Shopify to continue. At this point, Shopify will display a confirmation screen for the new integration. This is where you confirm that Klaviyo is allowed to connect and access the necessary store data. Take a moment to read what is being approved so you understand what is being shared. When you are ready to proceed, click Integrate to confirm the connection. After the integration is approved, return to the setup screen and click Complete Setup. This finalizes the connection and ensures the integration is fully enabled. Once setup is complete, Klaviyo will begin syncing information from Shopify into your Klaviyo account. Depending on the size of your store, the first sync can take a little time, so it is normal if everything does not appear instantly. When it finishes, your Klaviyo and Shopify accounts are connected, and you can start using Shopify data to power email and SMS marketing in Klaviyo. And that is all there is to it.